Welcome everybody, Travel About. We're here at Medina Lake, another 1,000 Trails park in Texas. This one is quite a bit different than some of the other ones. Main thing here is their trees are right on the top of my RV. I actually had to crawl up there on the ladder and just kind of check things out. As with most parks near a lake, not all sites have sewer. We do not have sewer. We are attempting to walk to the lake. Wet and fun, I don't know what that is. I don't know, half of that stuff I don't think is actually here or operational at this time. But we're probably going to go jump in the hot tub a little later today. How odd, there's a power meter right there on the trail. All right.
Guess I have a floodlight on.
Hey everybody, Lake Medina is gone. I'm still a little in shock here, guys. I did hear a little rumor that it had dried up, but to see it with your own two eyes is craziness. I'm kind of walking where there used to be water. So I guess I'm gonna have to go find out now, where did the water go? Anyway, I'm trying to get up around this corner just so I can see what's ahead, and then I think we're gonna head on back. Darn it, I was going to bring my parents down here in a couple days to go fishing, but that's not going to happen. So we'll have to figure out how to get into the state park from another part. There is water in this lake, I saw it. We just got to figure out if we can access it. And I may not be able to see around this corner, guys. Well, I'm going to walk a little ways anyway. So here it is. Gone. All the green, all the brown. That was a lake. Wonder how long it's been like this. I could probably ask the folks that work here up at the front office. Alright, I'm walking a little further than I thought I was going to walk, but I just want to look around the corner and see if maybe there's some water over here. There is definitely a little more water over here, but it's super low. You can see all the grass sticking right out of it. It's a little hard to walk here. And I can see now. Darn it. I was kind of hoping it would open up. Oh, it's so terrible. Somebody's made a trail, look like an ATV trail down there in the sand where the bottom of the lake used to be. Oh boy, that's it, y'all. There's no water.